Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you know me as the van guy, and we've got more vans for you today. Let's start out with the Boldt. Winnebago's all-new model, big heavy-duty lithium battery. How heavy-duty do you say? Gentleman had it on, the air conditioner on for 13 hours in 100-degree heat, and he just ran off the battery. I believe they upgraded the alternator under the hood from 6,000 to 8,000 watts, so recharge time is very short. Let's take a peek inside. This is your rear bathroom model. Quite spacious. It is, again, a wet bath. Got a nice sink, big medicine cabinet, and nice storage here in the rear. I'll pop this around. Good hanging space inside. A little vent up above. Your shower curtain hangs up to help keep the water off the cabinets if you so desire to take a shower back here. Nice storage. More shelves in here. You can take them out. You can use it for additional hanging space. Water tank heaters are here. 4-season unit. You can have this out in 0 degrees and you're good to go. Big long twin beds. No, they don't really come together and make a big bed. They're not designed to do that. Dual pane windows. These do pop out. You've got your bug screen, privacy screen on all the windows. You've got a little storage area here on both sides that come down. Put your glasses and stuff in there if you want. Big sound bar. It goes with your TV set. Nice upper cabinet storage. Of course, they got the lockers on all of them to keep them in place. Portable table. You can mount it up front by the door or back in here for a nice workspace. It's got a little cubby here in the side for storage. Induction cooking. You just have to have a pot that's magnetized to set on here. It cuts your cooking time down immensely because it gets hot very quick, and when you take the pot off, it cools down real quick. Convection microwave, so you can bake in here. Compressor refrigerator. Oh, this is a 4-wheel drive model too. So when you're off-road, you don't have to be perfectly level with a compressor refrigerator. Solid surface countertops, recessed sink. Boy, this lid weighs a lot. Both seats turn around. This is on the new 19 Mercedes chassis. It has the super 10-inch screen. You can talk to it. Very comfortable to drive. They went from a 5-speed to a 7-speed transmission. All your controls. These controls here are for the screen, and these controls are for your dash. Got power seats, heated seats. A real dream to drive down the road. Screen detaches here, so when you zip it down, you want to enter, you just pull this out and then it reclips. If you want to move the table, you can put it on this bar right here, which is doubles as a power strip. Lithium, the control for the lithium is right here. It's got a gauge, like a fuel gauge. It tells you how full it is. And we'll power this down. And again, it's got a big solar panel up on top, plenty of power. Nice big running boards. 4-wheel drive, you've got the extra height. The little clip on the end is for your pet, if you want to clip a pet on here to keep out in this area. Electric awning, power fan up on top. Black water flush. It's got the Winnebago ladder and roof rack system. This has got a key on it, so somebody won't come and take it. You remove this, you can put it on the side of the vehicle to access your roof, to clean your solar panel, to install a kayak rack or something like that, or a storage pod. It'll tow 5,000 pounds. Hitch is already here along with the brake control. Hookup, cable, tank fill, dump stations down below, heater, city water fill, and like all Sprinters, you have to open the door up to get to the fuel. I know there must be a question or two. Why don't you just call me direct at 541-554-9581, or use my email, or go to my Facebook, The Van Guy. Thanks.